virtually true. I'm changing out my exhaust header. I damaged my other one up in here, so when I put it back, it wasn't quite snug, and I wanted it snug, so I went ahead and hacked the old one. It's working fine, but I wanted it snug, so I went and got this one from O'Reilly's. I searched it on eBay first, but I wanted it right away, and I didn't want to wait. But this one came with a heat shield, for the boats here, 5 of them. I went ahead and got me a real flange gasket. It's about 17 bucks here. I don't know why I was so high, but this one came from AutoZone. And my header gaskets. Comes with some more gaskets here. We got that out the way, and have my manifold or flinch bolts. I think these are my flinch bolts and nuts, and some new manifold bolts. All of these are from AutoZone, and we're going to install. Okay, we got everything sorted out here. So here again we got our 5/8 for our flange nut. Fits right there. And I like to check my sockets and make sure everything's going to fit. This is a 12mm for the exhaust header. And for the exhaust cover, header cover, kind of loose. Well, I have a 1332. Now I need to find a wrench to get my oxygen sensor out the way. Alright, we got our splash guard out the way. Got all the Christmas tree little bolts off of there. And just slid it back, forward rather. And that's my DIY flange gasket. It works out pretty good. So now I got room to get to my heat shield and my exhaust header from here. I gotta get that oxygen sensor out the way with my 11. Well, let's see here. What is this? It's my 13/16 wrench. Get my oxygen sensor off, and should be on my way. I got some extensions to help me out. And let's go. Got my battery on. Gonna unplug all this stuff up in here and move there, and move it around. Got my battery unplugged for safety. Took care of that. Okay, it started raining, and we're still moving on. Got my heat shield off, and I don't think I need to remove my, well, maybe I, well, yeah, I'm gonna have to unplug my spark plug boots to get my header on. I got one more bolt all my flange to get off. And I got my hood up to give me some more light down there. Got that off. Have to pull it up through here and out. Well, back and up. So let's unplug these boots. My hand down there. I'm gonna pull this whole thing out. I can't. I had to use this tool to get my boots off my spark plug. I cannot pull I got one off by hand, but this really helped out. But I had to get it from underneath. I'll put this on the boot. Yeah, this really got it over with. Otherwise, I would have been struggling. Okay, I got all the bolts off the header and my old gasket here. Get it out the way. Okay, I was able to pull it straight up through the opening here, but I had to slide my covering out the way. Either that or remove the front drive shaft. But either way, it came out, so got that done. Let's see if we can slide the new one. Let's see here. It worked out. Okay, I have my little jacket there in case I needed to do something here. Some support. A little block there. But over here. The other way to get that out would have to take apart my front drive shaft there. But we got it, man. Just need some wiggle room with this if I was going to take it out. I got it loose. My converter, exhaust, and I got my oxygen sensor out the way. Goes right there in that socket. Okay, moving right along. First, you should be replacing your header on the 2004 Yukon Denali, and the flange gasket, and the header gasket. Okay, everything matches up. Everything matches up, looks good. Okay, I got 2 bolts in. Trying to make sure my gasket's lined up. Okay, we got my exhaust. Flange bolts in. right up there. Probably, I don't know if you can see them or not. The sun's in my face. Got my clear fringe bolt there. Can't see too much. We're ready to connect the exhaust flange once I get my gasket on there. Everything's coming along pretty good. Got my gasket ready to be connected and should be good to go. Okay, it's a virtually two. We just completed replacing this exhaust header and the header gasket and the flange gasket. New bolts, everything seems to be nice and flat and sealed. And it stopped raining.